Hi, to set up your Poco X7, firstly turn off the phone by pressing and holding the power button, which is located on the right side of the phone. And now you should see this display. Tap arrow and here choose your language. After that, tap the arrow again and choose your region and tap arrow again. And now you need to agree with terms and conditions. So put check mark that you read it and go next. After that, you can set it up using another device, so Android device or iPhone or iPad, or you can skip this step if you want to set up this phone like a brand new device. And at this point, we need to insert SIM card. So let me take this tool, which is called ejector, and it goes in a complete with the device. And if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can use needle or a pin to open SIM slot, but be really careful because you may damage it. Now let's find the SIM slot. On this phone, it is located on the bottom. And you can see this little hole in it, right? So to open it, we need to take the ejector, place it in this little hole. Then slightly press till the slot will pop up like that. And now take it out using your nails or ejector. And now you should see this space for the first SIM card. Right here you can see this marking SIM number 1. And if you flip it, you'll see space for the second SIM card. So, by the way, take a look that here we can see this rounded corner, right? And the same we got on SIM card. So make sure that those corners matches, put it in the right position, and then press it a bit so it will click and won't fall out. And now let me put it back in the phone and close the tray completely. Great, now we need to connect the network, so let me choose my network and enter its password really quickly. So just enter your password and after that tap connect button and just in a couple of seconds you would be connected. Great, now let's go next. So now it is getting the phone ready and this may take a few minutes. So let's just wait a bit. So after you signed in, choose who will be using this device, you or your child. Then tap next. Here, agree with terms of service. All as usual. And now it is getting account info again. So let's just wait a couple of more seconds. And yep, now we can choose to copy apps and data or select don't copy. Here you can tap next and after that you can see from which devices you can restore data if you did backups, or you can choose don't restore like that and set up this phone like a brand new device. So here enable or disable to use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, and install updates and apps. Now accept it, and here we can either turn on backup or choose don't backup. So let me just turn it on, and now we need to choose browser and search engine. So let's do it. For the browser, I want to choose Google Chrome and set it as default, and for search engine I'm gonna choose Google. And now we can set screen lock, or we can skip this step and do it later in settings. Let's continue setup. Here you can see information about new AI assistant. Tap continue. Here, if you want to use it, tap turn on, or if not, tap no thanks. I'm gonna turn it on, and now we can additionally change display size. So here, let me just adjust it and choose Mi Sans, and also we can make it bold by dragging this down slider. Now let's go back and yep, Now we got changes. So let's tap next. And now it is getting phone ready again. So we got a few more steps left. So here, enable or disable such basic settings, and then tap this arrow. If you want to, you can turn on parental control and also switch to different type of font. And now choose default launcher. I prefer app drawer, so I'm gonna leave it. And now it is pre-parent system, so we are just waiting. And now, as you can see, my device was factory reset via recovery mode, so I need to draw my pattern, or I can use my Google account instead to verify that it is me. So let me do it quickly. This display may not appear in your case, at least because I just factory restored it using recovery mode. And now we need to sign in. So here, enter your email or phone number and then password. And I'm gonna do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. And that's it, setup complete. So tap arrow, just like that. And now we can simply check our home screen. So just give it a few minutes to load. And here it is. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.